Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here teaching you how to get these fake freckles, and if you want to see how I do so, then keep on watching. Yes, I dyed my hair purple. It's been a minute. With 2020, I did a lot of makeup exploration, if you will. One of those techniques that I took into the new year was fake freckles. Dead of winter, I'm having a little bit of a vitamin D lack, if you will. It's fun. It's different. It's makeup. You can literally wash it off. And I know some people like to cover their freckles, and this isn't meant to like pick on those people by any means. I'm jealous of you, actually. Wish I could keep my freckles year round. I will be sure to list all the products that I use down below, so that way if you guys want to practice this on your own, you can. Let's go ahead and jump in. So when it comes to my fake freckles, I love doing them underneath my foundation, just so that way they look a little bit more muted and they're not like boom in your face. So the first thing that I have done is I have gone through and I have primed and put a layer of foundation on my face. So for primer, I'm using the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. And for my foundation, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Airless Flawless Foundation. For my freckles, my little secret tip trick, I guess, is that I go in with a liquid eyeliner, and I specifically use a brown liner. I have been using the NYX Epic Ink Liner in shade color brown. There's no trick for when it comes to doing my fake freckles, just because like freckles are supposed to be not perfect. There's no tip, trick. You just go with whatever feels right. Like you let Jesus take the wheel at this point. I like to start on the center of my face and start in my nose and then spread from there. The only tip that I can give you is to go light-handed. So what I'm gonna do is just start. That was it. You don't want to like pull them, because otherwise you're gonna get marks like this guy right here, this guy up here, and they're gonna look really dark to begin with. Yes, keep that in mind because you were using a liner. But just go in and pepper wherever you think necessary. So I'm going to speed this part up a little bit, and then I will go in with the next step. Now, one little trick that I'm going to teach you guys, because clearly I have a little cherry mole right here. Sometimes I don't cover it up just because like it's part of my face, but sometimes if I am feeling a little self-conscious about it, just turn to a freckle. Just copy and paste onto the other side. So now that I have the freckles pretty much all over my face where I want them to be, keep in mind you don't want them to look perfect. I'm gonna take my wet beauty sponge, what I use to apply my foundation with, and just pat them down first, so then that way they kind of like set in place. And go in with a little bit of foundation, and when I say a half pump, I mean a half pump. We're not trying to cover up the work we did, we're just trying to sheer them out. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of foundation to where I put my freckles down, and just lightly blend them in. From where I just put them on with the liner to with the foundation, it makes them look a little bit more blended. Now that I have the freckles pretty much laid down, I'm gonna go in and continue the rest of my face routine by putting on bronzer, blush, and all of that, and I'll be right back. Now that I'm looking at my freckles with my face pretty much done, before I set it, I like to make sure that everything's kind of uniform in place. It doesn't look too dramatic on one side as opposed to the other. Because I have more freckles over here on this side as opposed to this side, it is something that I could go back in and do and just repeat the process. Let's go ahead and finish the rest of this look. That's how I do my fake freckles. Again, there's no rhyme or reason, there's no method to my madness. I just do them. Ever since doing them, I've just felt myself become a little bit more confident. And that's the number one thing that I want to take into 2021, is just taking those chances. Every time I've worn fake freckles, I've always been complimented on them. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you like my videos and if you like my content, and if you like me, feel free to subscribe by hitting the button down below and getting notified when I post new videos. Fake freckles is the move for 2021. At least I'm making it the move for 2021 for myself. So with that said, I'm gonna go ahead and go. So thank you guys again so much for watching. Take care, love you, always stay safe, and until next time, we'll see you guys later. Bye. Did you see my nose crunch? That was like the juiciest sounding crack ever. EpiPen? No. Get it out. I've been using the NYX Epic Ink. Flustered. Oh, that's a bad one. I just need to breathe for a minute because I am ready to fight everyone. The way that the world got me going today, I am ready to compete in a no rules cage fight. Did not want it to be the year of violence, but y'all choosing that for me. It's my destiny. Scrappy Doo coming in. Oh, crap. Don't get why my hair is looking like a mushroom. This lip gloss is not doing it what I want it to do. Why am I so shaky? Like, my God, embarrassing.